In this video, I'll be showing you how to find recently watched videos on YouTube. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube application. Now you can do this on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. But once you're here, on the bottom right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then you're going to see history as the very top option. So just go ahead and click on that. Now over here, you're going to see all your different history. You can even search here for your recently watched videos, but basically whatever is on the top is going to be your most recent video. So my most recent video is the one that's on top where it says ranking every final duel. I can even filter it by podcasts and music if I want to go ahead and do that. And if I obviously want to, I can just go ahead and click on whichever video and watch it if I want to. But if I click on this one right here, which is the third one, then if I go back, eventually when I refresh it, it's going to appear at my top, instead. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.